Are you looking to start a business in 2023 but unsure of where to start? Have you considered print on demand as a potential opportunity? Ever wanted to create your own branded clothing? Mugs with your designs on them, or other goodies, water bottles, tote bags, Bluetooth speakers with a unique look and feel? Well, with print on demand, you can, and it might just be easier than you think. With the rise of e-commerce and the growing demand for customized products, print on demand has become an increasingly popular business model. But what exactly is print on demand, and how can you succeed in this competitive industry? Let's find out in this video how to start a print on demand business in 2023. Find a profitable niche for your pod business. Finding a niche is the first step in this advice on how to launch a print on demand business. A niche is anything that a certain crowd finds appealing. Knowing what they're interested in and how they behave can help you better customize your offers to their requirements. If you've focused your business on a certain specialty, customers are more likely to purchase your items. Narrowing the target market for your online shop, such as individuals who enjoy cats, is one approach to specialize. Then you may create designs that will be appealing to your target market. Cross-niching, which combines two or more different market sectors, is another option. In a contrast to only cat lovers, there's a cross-niche between cats and those who like gardening and modern art. In this case, your target market is made up of cat owners who also enjoy gardening and fine modern art. You might be able to connect with a passionate target market that other sellers are ignoring. Your print-on-demand company will have less competition, increasing the likelihood that it will make more money. Find pod products to sell. Finding things to sell is the next stage in our guide on how to establish a print-on-demand business. It's a frequent misconception that print-on-demand businesses only allow you to sell t-shirts, mugs, and hoodies. While it's true that certain items are popular and simple to customize, your shop has more options. You could choose the ideal things to sell by taking a look at current market trends. Consider asking yourself what everyone appears to be discussing. What are their obsessions and areas of interest? Also, you might look into the goods that comparable pod companies sell. Using product research or spy tools is an excellent approach to discovering popular or profitable print-on-demand items. Find print-on-demand companies. Finding print-on-demand businesses is the next stage in our tutorial of how to launch a print-on-demand enterprise. The next step is to select a print-on-demand firm once you've decided on your niche and product. Production and delivery will be taken care of by your print-on-demand provider. Print-on-demand businesses abound, including Printful, Printify, Gelato, and Spring. Orders placed by clients on your website will be transmitted to the vendors for processing thanks to the easy connection between your online store and these suppliers. The print quality of your customized items has a direct impact on the standing of your online business and the happiness of your potential clients. To assess the quality of the printed products, think about ordering sample orders from multiple print suppliers. Create your designs. Making designs is the next stage in our guide on how to launch a print-on-demand business. You don't need to be an experienced designer to set up and manage your online store, even if the print-on-demand business model depends on creative design. It helps to be creative, artistic, or a designer, but it's not necessary to be any of those things. You may pay a designer to produce it for you on a website like CrowdSpring, or use some of the best print-on-demand tools like Canva to generate graphics. Think about the following while brainstorming and drawing out designs. Keep in mind to take your target market and ideal consumer into account. Consider their likes and dislikes. Utilize social media platforms like Instagram and Pinterest, as well as online marketplaces like Etsy, eBay, and Amazon as inspiration. Avoid copied work. Take inspiration from them, but don't copy anything. Decide on a selling channel. Selecting a selling channel is the following stage in our tutorial on how to launch a print-on-demand company. Perhaps the most important step in starting a print-on-demand company is deciding where to sell. Your print-on-demand vendor creates, produces, and delivers that product, especially for your clients. But first, you need to acquire some orders. Regarding how to market print-on-demand goods, you have two choices: selling on a marketplace website and selling through your online store using an e-commerce platform. Selling via marketplace. Internet stores like eBay and Walmart provide a consolidated market where suppliers from all over the world may present and sell their goods. These markets frequently have a large number of prospective customers who may join for free and are quite easy to start. Moreover, there are online stores like TeePublic, Redbubble, Zazzle, and others that specialize in print-on-demand items. You might need to renounce some creative control over things like pricing, rules, and product branding. They also play by their own rules and are fiercely competitive. By sending people to your store, you may keep more of the revenues as your business grows. Selling via online store. If you know exactly what you want to offer, you may use an e-commerce platform to build a personalized website for your products. These technologies let you tailor your store's consumer experience by taking into account their preferences through carefully selected merchandise, limited time deals, and more. The top print-on-demand businesses frequently interface with all significant e-commerce platforms, including Shopify. An internet shop requires more money, more effort, and more advertising to attract customers. But individuals who want to succeed in business and have a strong brand must construct an online store. Build an online store. The next stage in this guide on how to launch a print-on-demand company is to create an online store. There are other methods you may create your store, but Shopify is likely the finest. Shopify offers a variety of tools and extensions to assist you in creating a unique website for your business. The e-commerce platform lets you choose from a variety of ready-made themes to personalize the look and feel of your online business. Although it's not required, especially at first, you may buy premium Shopify themes if you'd like. Shopify works well with the top print-on-demand service providers on the market and makes it possible to build a beautiful website on a tight budget. Since it is the most widely used e-commerce platform, finding a vendor to provide smooth integration is a breeze. The next thing to do is get the word out about your custom products. Market your online store. We need to discuss marketing as we draw to a close, our How to Start a Print-on-Demand Business Guide. If you want people to start taking notice of your print-on-demand business, you must do it. Here are some strategies for contacting your target market and generating sales. Social media platforms. In today's environment, having a social media presence is essential. Today, customers expect to find and engage with businesses on social media sites like Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. When opening a print-on-demand business, you do not, however, have to be active on every social media platform. The best approach is to concentrate on one or two important channels and build up a presence first. Your company could grow as time goes on, and you generate more revenue by creating a presence on various platforms. If you have the capital, you can also experiment with paid advertising to accelerate your business's growth. Influencer marketing. A tried and true method of reaching your target audience is influencer marketing. Working together with influential people in your niche to promote your pod shop can help you attract new clients and grow your company. Using shoutouts on TikTok or Instagram is one of the finest methods to use influencer marketing. Content marketing. A common marketing technique used by many well-known firms is the use of content marketing to raise search engine rankings. You may add relevant content to your website and advertise it on social media. Blogs and articles are useful resources for sustaining interest and engagement among the target audience. When others use and engage with the knowledge, your authority and reputation will grow. Because it takes time for the material to garner readers and boost profit margins, it should be noted that blogging is a long-term plan. And that's it for today's guide to success in the print-on-demand business for 2023. We hope you found this video helpful and informative, and that you're feeling inspired to take your print-on-demand business to the next level. Don't forget to hit the like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more expert advice on building a successful business. Thanks for watching.